First day in Missouri, we got some snow. Checking out the lean-to greenhouse. One neat feature, let's go to the temperature first. So this is going to be a nice grass path. Still the process. Planted the seed, just waiting for it to grow, but try to get a good angle here. Alright. Hopefully that turns out okay. You can barely see it on my side, but so outside says it's 19 Fahrenheit. Inside here right now says 48 degrees Fahrenheit, which is cool because let's see, switch to Celsius. Alright, so Celsius is -7 and 9 inside here. And let's go see what that looks like. Just put this thing together, by the way. First snow. Not a whole lot, really, but I wonder if the mountains will show up here. But yeah, out there, the mountain's got a nice little coating. Yeah, this is our little tester experiment greenhouse we're working on here. Cost about $1,500 in material for everything. Still got a little here and there to do things with it. Gonna try the compost heating system right around here. Gonna add some water barrels inside. Try the whole water battery heat idea. Let's go back in here. So yeah, snow out there. Insulation right there. You can even see some frost on the bottom of the door on the inside there. And so one way we're keeping this thing warm is we got insulation, this stuff here, on the ground, on the perimeter, all